So as part of our bonfire theme this week, and to show you how to make a rocket, and then we're going to use it in a sensory tray. So you'll need the inside of a toilet roll or the inside of some wrapping paper. I've just cut out a very basic circle out of, I've got some shiny paper, but you can use yellow paper, orange paper, red paper, anything you can get your hands on. And I've just put a little slit up it because I'm going to push them together to make a cone like that I'm then going to put on top of my rocket like that. I'm just going to secure everything with sellotape, as that's all I've got, but you can use glue. And then I've got some of the wrapping ribbon, and I've just cut some little bits off of some yellow and some red, and I'm going to stick those inside my toilet roll tube as the nice pretty colours that come down from your rocket as it goes up in the sky. So that's going to be the rocket. So I finished my rocket, so that's the cone that I stuck on the top, and these are the little bits of ribbon that I've stuck around the bottom as the trails as it goes up. And then I've also made a little fireworks sensory tray in here. So I've put some couscous in the bottom because it's a nice yellowy colour. I've just found as much red, yellow and orange things as I could. So I've got some tissue paper. I just save, if anything's wrapped in tissue paper, I do save that sort of thing. I've got some little pom-poms in orange and yellow. I found a little bit of tinsel that I had. I put some more little bits of the, oh no I haven't, got some pipe cleaners, and I've just got some little bits of felt and a bit of wool. But you can put anything that you can think of that's red, yellow and orange, that's different textures. You could just tear up bits of cardboard, different bits of paper. You could use, and we've shown you how to do this before, some coloured rice or some coloured spaghetti in there, anything at all. And I've also added a sparkler that we showed you earlier on in the week how to make, but I've put mine with the wrapping ribbon, and as we said earlier on the week, it makes a nice noise, and you can just use it for tickling and all sorts of things. So then you can just explore the things in your box. I have put some lights in as well to make it twinkle, so you can explore the things in your box with your child. If you're doing something like symbolic sounds, you could use your rocket and do some whoosh sounds, and then I've just cut up some bits and I can do some whee as it falls back in. If you're working on fine motor skills, I have just put some little bits of cardboard tubes in, and you could use your couscous for putting inside a little container, so you can just do some sprinkling into it. Lots of different things. You can just explore the bits of tinsel, you can stroke your child with them, anything you can think of, and have a go with your little sparkler, maybe on their hands, on their feet, anything like that. So that's my bonfire sensory tray. So I've just put all my materials in. I just had a little plastic tray, but you can use anything you've got. You could use a washing up bowl, you could just use a cardboard box, or you could use a roasting tray, anything at all you've got. So that's my sensory tray. As I said, I will post the ideas again of how to make the coloured rice and the coloured pasta, and just have fun with your child, exploring your sensory tray and the bits in it, having a good feel of things, having a good look, and making them all make a nice noise. Thank you.